Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Unlock your iPhone XS Max and go straight to Settings, Face ID, and Passcode. Make sure iOS is current and battery is healthy so the scan won't abort. Remove anything that could block the true depth camera. Even light smudges distort data. Tap Setup Face ID now, position your face inside the frame, and follow on-screen prompts. This first pass captures overall geometry, and starting clean gives more accurate depth mapping. Once done with the initial placement, the core step is the double scan. You hold the device at arm's length, then bring it closer. Move your head slowly in a circular motion so the true depth system captures contours from multiple angles. Complete both scan passes. The interface asks for 2 full rotations to record details like eye sockets and nose bridge. Make sure attention aware is set how you prefer. It improves security by requiring you to look at the phone. Finish by testing Face ID. Lock the phone and unlock it in bright and low light because true depth uses infrared and visible cues. If you wear glasses, a hat, or plan big changes, add an alternate appearance for better recognition. If Face ID fails repeatedly, reset Face ID and retrain. Do it in consistent lighting, hold the phone steady, and avoid backlighting. That single troubleshooting tip usually fixes misreads. Retrain with clear, unobstructed scans so the depth model updates correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.